Hi Year 3, it's Mrs Silverthorne here with Maths for Thursday the 9th of February. So jumping in with our warm-up today, we are looking at those related calculations. Now, we have spent a lot of time getting more and more comfortable with these related calculations. So I'll remind you again, just to be mindful, if you are working out 6 times 4 and then 60 times 4, you want to be thinking about what 6 times 4 is, and then that answer that you get will be multiplied by 10 because the 60 here is the 6 just multiplied by 10. Hopefully, though, you guys won't even need me to tell you that, and you'll know exactly what you're doing. So pause the video here and give these calculations a go. Okay, so have a look at how you got on. These are the answers here, so go through, tick them off, and see how you did. Okay, so our unit this week is on money. So just showing you the array of coins and notes that we have in the UK currency. This is the same one I showed you yesterday. So hopefully it won't be too much of a surprise to know that these are the coins we have. Okay, today we're mainly going to be focusing on pounds, and then later on at the end of the session, we're going to be thinking about pounds and pence together. So let's focus on those pounds first and just look at how we count them up. So let's see here, we've got some £1 coins here, okay? So when we are counting up £1 coins, oh, that looks like a smiley face. When we are counting up £1 coins, we just count in ones because it's a £1 coin. So let's count them up. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, £5 here. And whenever I write down the amount, I either need to write down that it's pence or that it's pounds. And a pound symbol looks like this. And then I write the number. So I don't write the number and then the pound sign. It's the pound sign first. I know sometimes that can be something that gets a little bit confusing because we say it the other way around. We say the number and then we say pounds. But when it comes to the pound sign, we always do the pound sign first. Let's look at these. So these aren't £1 coins, these are £2 coins. So because these are £2 coins, what we can do is we can count up in 2. So using our knowledge of the 2 times table sequence. So we count 2, 4, 6. So we've got £6. So again, I do that pound sign first. There we go. And then I write the amount. So 6 in this case. Okay, so I've got some £5 notes here. I've got 3 £5 notes. So a bit like the £2 coins, I can count up in fives. So I'm going to count up 5, 10, and 15. There we go. And so with that in mind, I draw my pound sign again, and I write the number 15. There we go. And then let's have a little look. These ones are tens, so I can count up in 10. So I go 10, and 20. So similarly, the number on the note is really helpful because it lets us know, there we go, so I've got £20 there. It lets us know what we need to be counting up in. I don't know if you can spot here, this one's got a little 5 there, this one's got a 10. This one hasn't got the number 2, but it has got the word 2 on it. And same for this one's got the word 1 on it. So we know what we need to be counting up in. Okay, so let's use a number line to help us count up these notes and these coins together. So I want to start with the largest value. And my largest value is this one, the £20 note. So I'm going to do a large jump and I'm going to draw my pound symbol because I'm looking at a £20 note, and I could put 20 in there. And I know that when I'm jumping from 0 to 20, I just have 20. And then I can look at, there we go, the £5 notes. Now, because the £5 notes, there are 2 of them, I can think of them as being the same as £10 because counting up in fives together, they would make £10 together if I have 2 of them. So if I've got 2 of them, I don't need to do 2 jumps of 5. I can do 1 jump of 10. There we go. There we go. And then altogether, £10 plus the £20 I had to begin. Oh, There we go, that went a bit wrong. The £20 plus the £10 I've now got, I have got £30. There we go. And then I've got the 2 coins left over. So this is a £2 coin and this is a £2 coin. Now again, I could do 2 little jumps of £2 each, or I could be thinking, well, I've got 2 £2 coins. I know that that together will make £4 because I can count in twos twice. So I'm just going to do add £4. Now, if you use a number line like this, it's absolutely fine. You just need to make sure that what you do is you write down the pound sign inside each of your jumps. The reason you want to do that is because if you said I'm adding on 4, you need to know whether you're actually adding on £4 or 4 pence. So it's really, really important that you are using the pound sign and the pence sign. There we go. So all together, I have made £34. Okay, let's look at this amount. Now, this is where we're actually combining pounds and pence. So in this case, what we want to think about is a little bit of a separation between the pounds and the pence, because when we write it down, we will be separating them into pounds and pence. So let's look at the pounds first, because they are a higher value than these coins, which are less than a pound. So I can see really, really quickly, I have got £2 coins there. So I could do 2 jumps of £1, which is what I have, or I could be more efficient and just do 1 jump of £2. Now, because I'm going to be doing pounds and pence, I think what I'll do here is I will use my cursor just so it's really, really clear for you. So I've got £2 here. And once I've got here, that means I've got £2 and I'm ready for the next jump. So I look for the next largest coin. The next largest coin I have here, I can see is my 50 pence piece. There we go. I'm going to go back to using my cursor again. Now here, I'm not going to use a pound sign because I'm adding on a 50p coin. So I'll put 50 pence in there. And that actually changes what I need to write down here. So I don't just have £2 anymore. I have £2 and, so I need to write and 50 pence. There we go. So I'm just going to keep that one there. Now I need to add on the rest of my coins. So here I've got a 20 and I've got a 10. Now I could do a jump of a 20 and then a jump of a 10, or I could be nice and efficient and think, well, what is 20 plus 10? That is 30 pence. So there we go. I'm going to do 1 jump of 30 pence to show that I've added my 20 and my 10 together. So no pound sign again because I am dealing with pence. There we go. And then I can add it on to what I've got here. So £2 and 50 pence. I'm going to work out the pence separately to the pounds. So 50 pence add 30 pence. That's the same as adding on 3 tens. So here we go. So 50, 60, 70, 80 pence. So here I have got here £2 and 80 pence. So here we go. 80 pence. There we go. Then I need to add on my last little 2 pence up there, my little 2 pence there. So I can put that one in there. And then I can work that out quite quickly because I can see I've already got my £2. It's not going to affect the pound coins here at the moment, but it will affect the 80 pence. So 80 plus 2 will make £2 and 82 pence. So there we go. I'll just write that down there. I've got my pound sign. I write the word and then I put 82 and a little p on the end. Let's write that up here as well so it's really clear to show what we've got. So £2 and 82 pence. There we go. Let's have a go with some notes. So at the moment here, we've got a combination of notes and coins that we need to add up. So we'll do something very similar here and start with the larger amount first. So the largest amount is a £10 note. Now, I'm looking at what else I've got here, and I'm thinking that I could be very, very efficient and think about the 2 £5 notes together again, because I know that the 2 £5 notes together, it's the same as £10. And then really what I can actually do is put them on the number line all together so that then I'm being very, very efficient. So I haven't just got £10, I've got the £10 and the 2 £5 notes, which actually adds up to 20 because I've got the £10 note here and the two £5 notes together make £10 as well. So let's add that on. There we go. I might use my cursor after this just to make sure it's really, really clear for you. There we go. Once I've done the notes, I'm then going to look at the coins. And again, with the coins, I want to go with the larger amount first. So the £1 is the largest value I've got. So the largest value I've got here is I'm adding on £1. So I'm going to use my cursor here. There you go. So it's nice and clear. So £1. Do my pound sign. There we go. I can also see, because I've got some 1 pennies here as well, I don't want to be confused about whether I'm adding on pennies or pounds. Okay, and then I need to look at the next set of coins. So here I've got two 5p coins. Now, because they're the same, they're a bit like the two £5 notes. Two 5p pieces I would count up in fives, and I would find that they are the same as 10p. There we go. And because they're the same as 10p, I'm not going to do 2 jumps of 5. I'm going to do 1 jump of 10p. There we go. I want to be nice and efficient. And now we're in year 3. The quicker we can work things like this out and the more efficient we can work these things out, it's a really, really good habit to get into going into year 4. Okay, and then I am left with these two 1p piece coins. So because I've got these again, and I know that 1 add 1 is 2, I'm not going to do add 1 penny, add 1 penny. I'm going to do a small jump of adding 2p. So I'll put my 2 and a little p next to it, and then I can start to put it all together. So £20 plus £1 makes £21. There we go. You can do this as you go along, or you can sort out the denominations first and then carry on adding them up. That's absolutely fine. So here I've got £21 and I need to add on this 10p. So I've got £21. I need to write the word and 10 and then p. And then I added on this little 2p at the end, which is going to give me, it won't mess up my pounds. It doesn't interfere with those at all yet because I haven't got to 100p yet. There we go. Here's £21 and 12p. Okay, so with our silver task today, our job is to find out how much money there is in each of these 4 boxes. So if you want to draw a number line, you can. If you've got some coins there to help you, that's absolutely fine. However you do it though, please can you show me what you've done? So if you're counting up actual coins at home, that's fine. Are you able to take a picture and then send that to me so that I can see that's what you've done? Or you can just do a number line like I've done it in the in your maths book. So pause the video here and give these a go. Okay, so have a little look through and see if you can tick off. Did you come to the same amounts as I did? If you're ready for the gold challenge, let's go. Okay, so have a little look. Which is the greatest amount? So when we're looking at these amounts here, you want to be thinking I've got A, £3.76, B, however much this is, I'm not going to tell you, I'm not cheating, and then C, I've got £8.98. So you need to work them all out, especially this middle one, and see which one has the greatest amount. Pause the video here and give it a go. Okay, the answer is actually C. If we had added all of this up, it actually would have made, there we go, £6 and 12p. There we go. Brilliant. Okay, and then let's have a go at our platinum task if you are ready for it. So Maria and Neil are looking at this amount of money. Maria says, I think the total is equal to 3 £5 notes, 2 £1 coins, and 7 10p coins. Neil says, I think the total is equal to 1 £10 note, 7 £1 coins, and 7 1p coins. Who is correct? I would definitely recommend working out the totals of what Maria and what Neil has, and then the total of the coins and the notes at the top here to help you. So whenever you're ready, pause the video here And let's move on. Okay, how did you get on? It turns out that Maria was correct. When you work out what each of them, what each of the children worked out, it was actually Maria who got it right. So equal to 3 £5 notes, which would make £15. 2 £1 coins would account for the £2 coin here. And then 7 10p coins would be the same as the 70 pence here. Neil was almost there. It's just that he said 7 1p coins instead of 7 10p coins. So he almost got it, just not quite. So that's the end of our maths for today. I hope you've had a really, really good Tuesday, and I'll be back with more maths tomorrow. Take care.